Hey everyone, so today let's not do any formal class, but instead of that, I have something very special for you. So, what's special gonna be today? Today we will chit chat and know one of my favorites recipe. It sounds interesting, doesn't it? So, this recipe is very tempting, and I personally cook it so well that everyone praise whosoever tasted it. I am not self praising, it's actually jokes apart. So, let's see how it will turn out today. So the recipe which we're gonna try today is medu vada, which is basically a savory fried snack. You must be knowing this recipe. It's maybe not a new recipe for you. So in Uttarakhand, it's a ritual to make these fritters in every auspicious occasion. But in that fritters, we just add a bit of sesame seeds. So, cooking is like a mood changer for me, maybe for you too. So, now let's go and start our today's recipe. Come with me. So, to make medu vada, we need to soak a split and skin black gram overnight or at least 3 to 4 hours, but in warm water before the process. So here you can see I have soaked lentils. So I have soaked it at night. Now I will strain the water and grind it. So after straining the water, see it looks like this. You can easily break it. So I will shift these lentils in mixing jar, and first I will add little water only, otherwise the consistency will become so watery, and we want perfect consistency. So the quantity is so much. Now I'm gonna grind it in 2 3 batches. So in the starting I will add this much water only. So little more water we will pour now. So I'm gonna show you the consistency. So the consistency should be like this. Means it should not be finally grinded. This consistency will make your vadas crispy. If you will make it finally grind, then your fritters will not come out so crispy. So this is the tip. Now I have shifted these grinded lentils in this large container. For making fritters, I'm gonna shift some amount of these lentils in small bowl. So these lentils I can use for a week even, and I can mix some rice flour to it to make dosas. So here I have kept some amount of these grinded lentils in this bowl. See, from one ingredient only we can make so many recipes. This is the speciality of Indian food. I feel that all the countries have some particular special recipes which is close to the people's heart. Now I will keep this bowl in refrigerator for around half an hour so that I should get the perfect consistency, what consistency I want. Now to enhance the taste of fritters, your medu vada, we need to add this ingredients to enhance its taste. So what are the ingredients? Let me show you. Some grated ginger, green chilies as per your taste, finely chopped coriander and some curry leaves. Now let me set my camera so that I can show you the recipe properly. Now I'm gonna add these ingredients to this batter. But before that, we'll have to whisk it properly. As longer as we will whisk, more fluffier it will come. I know this recipe needs patience. So patience is the key.
And my mom always say, if you give your heart to any recipe, it makes a magic. And it's very much true.
I have added some basic spices to it: turmeric powder, cumin seeds powder, garam masala, little bit of red chili powder as we have already added green chili to it. Let's tweak the recipe to improve its flavor. So, what I'm gonna add to this batter? I will add this black pepper along with a pinch of asafoetida, which will really enhance the flavor of your medu vadas. So this black pepper and a pinch of asafoetida will give your medu vada an aromatic flavor. So I have poured some oil in this pan. Now let's quickly start the process of making medu vadas, and you have to see the temperature also of oil, that it should not be super hot. And when you will cook mendu vadas, it should be in medium to low flame. Otherwise, if you will cook mendu vadas in high flame, from outside it will turn golden brown, but from inside it will not cook properly. So as I have already told you, you need patience in this recipe. So I will suggest you just try this recipe whenever you have the quality time available. So to get the shape of mendu vadas, we need a bowl of water so that we can apply this water on our palm. I will show you how you will do. So now I will apply some water on my palm and a spoonful of this batter, and slowly I'll just make a hole like this and carefully pour it in this oil. Have a look.
So, whenever I feel very low, have some free time from my job, and I want to show my creativity, then I do try some new recipes. And if others appreciate it, then it just makes my day. Does it happen with you also? As I think, if we give our best to anything, we need some appreciation. It just boosts our energy.
We will cook it very nicely until it gets nice brown color. So in medium to low flame we will cook this. Don't be in hurry. Have patience. You will get best result after being patient. So this is the final texture of these mendu vadas, and you can listen the sound and you can feel how crispy it is. Can you hear? Now I will break one mendu vada for you. You can listen the sound. Yes, this much crispy it is. I can't even wait to have it, and I will say that you must give it one try. You and your family members, your friends will absolutely love this recipe. And after having this, I'm sure you will thanks to me. So do try this recipe with your friends and family, I'm sure you will definitely love it. So, bye for now. Hope you like today's chit chat session. Personally, I loved it. Have a great weekend.